Okay, there's a lot of talk about vehicle shortages from all manufacturers, right? So let's talk about like-new used vehicles at all Sunset Auto Family dealerships. First of all, Sunset has no shortage of used trucks, SUVs, crossovers, or cars. You'll find nearly 500 every single day at sunsetautofamily.com. Hundreds of low-mile, pre-owned vehicles, all years, makes, and models. And almost every single one of them comes with warranty protection for life. A limited powertrain warranty honored at any ASE certified repair facility in North America. And that could save you thousands down the road. So here's some free advice. Never drive a used vehicle without this protection and peace of mind. It's crazy not to, and it costs you nothing extra. It's included with all qualifying vehicles at Sunset. Bottom line, if you want or need a new vehicle, no one can get you what you want quicker or for less than Sunset. Guaranteed. If you don't mind saving a few $1,000s, go to sunsetautofamily.com and take a peek at Sunset's huge used vehicle inventory. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.